see my breath. It is first day of week 4. So yay! All right, so we're continuing our ceramic insulation. This is the back. This is above the motor. So we definitely want to have the heat resistance of the ceramic above this, so the engine heat doesn't come in. So this is the last part of the ceramic. We ceramiced the whole ceiling. Everything has a 1/2-inch layer of ceramic. And this stuff's pretty cool. You can hold a torch to it and you can't really feel it through the backside. So my hopes are that it'll keep the sun heat from radiating into the bus. And then we are just doing a straight R19 fiberglass insulation. Not the ideal setup, but you know, it was about $300 for the insulation for the fiberglass. So budget-wise, it was a little better than spray foam. And since I did the ceramic, it was just a good fit. We'll see. We'll test it out, see how it works. It's pretty cold outside right now. It's in the 20s. And I've got one little Mr. Buddy heater in here, and it's pretty warm, so.
Oops. Daddy.
No more heat for you.
Don't bump the heater. The heater will not like you anymore.
Maybe 2.5 feet. It looks like 3 feet, I think. It looks like 3 subs
it's not 3.
long.
It is
3 subs long.
You cut it at 26 inches long.
It is exactly 3 feet long.
What did you cut at 26 inches? No?
No, it's exactly 3 feet
36
long.
inches.
Are you recording that? My rightness? It's exactly 3 feet long.
3 subs.
Exactly 3 subs long.
Says the sub artist.
Subs aren't a foot long each.
Pretty close.
Supposed to be.
Have you measured them, dear? Because she is the former sub artist. Isn't that what you get called?
Sandwich artist.
Sandwich artist.
Something. Craft master.
All right.
You cut that on the right side, right?
I think so.
We shall find out. Measure it again. Is that 15 inches?
Please. Yes. Oh, wait, no. Wait. Like 1 inch too short.
Want the
He's
solid stuff in
picky,
the
which
bus.
is why I'm worried.
Marine grade would be better. But for the price, this is.
I'll cut the next one more carefully.
R19 fits in there.
Perfect.
I want to start putting paneling in.
I know. Wiring first.
Forget the wiring. Let's just get
Wiring
up. It looks like we
first.
get more
Since
down.
I'm not
I want
needed.
lights.
We don't need lights. We'll just do oil lamps. Skip the lights. She'll kill me.
She's nodding behind the camera, guys.
I'm sure if I show up dead, I'll be dead soon. All right, guys. So ceiling insulation is done. Is this? Oh, that one I missed that one. I sprayed a little more into that this morning.
Because this is hard. So
Yeah.
well, it's still leaking there and there.
All right. Well, not all the way down. I say a little bit up front to do, but I'm not sure what we're doing up there yet. So I'm gonna wait. So we can finish wiring today for the ceiling, and then we're gonna start paneling. So we had to get another roll of insulation, so it was pink instead of brown. So yeah, it's looking pretty good.
it's not going across the board, but it's inside, so our ceiling will be flush. Another tip, when you are wiring, make sure and label your wires when you're running them through the ceiling. That way you know what's what when it comes time to hooking up lights.
You're back, Mom?
Such a cripple.
Alright, so when we're lining up the sheet, I don't want to cover the line, I don't want a gap on the line, I want it right up to this first edge of the line so we're as accurate as possible, okay? Make sense? So you should just see the
Barely
full line.
see. You
Not
see the full line, not split
Yeah.
the line.
Yeah, I want the full line.
Okay.
Okay? Not split the line, not cover the line. I want to see the height.
I see the light. I mean the line.
We'll have to hold it up, and if somebody can carefully, without touching the glue, fit these wires.
So to start on that end first.
Yeah. So
This one is easy because it's just a single.
Hey, Dad, we're not just using glue, right? Because I don't feel like glue would work the best just by itself.
Smart kid.
It's a screw holder. You just can't tell. Carla, can you
Okay,
figure
so
wires? Oh, did we lose a wire, Ellie?
Oh yeah.
Upside down, oh well. Yeah, this is gonna be like an ongoing joke. It's bad.
So yeah, adding some extra pieces into the middle to help hold up our ceiling.
All right, guys. Today I'm removing the AC compressor. I just cut one of the belts. I'll probably have to replace this belt at some point, but I don't feel like disassembling it all with the snow, so I'm just snipping them. I don't think I need it for anything else. This belt needs to be replaced soon. Anyway, so I'm gonna start taking this out. That'll free up some room in the side compartment for me. And then I can hopefully finish taking out the toilet tank, and then my mini split is going in here, is the idea. So we will see how that goes. All right, guys, so the side hatch, or this corner hatch, opens up also, so you get real good access to all this. So all this side, gotta pull the wires yet. I think I got all the bolts out of the base, so I just gotta remove some of the wires up here, and I should be able to move it.